Today, I'll show you how I made almost $3,000 using just simply 3 indicators. No magic, no guesswork, just pure logic and a clear strategy. So watch closely and take notes. And if you don't want to just copy trades, but actually understand how the market works and start trading alongside me, find my contact information in the description and text me. I'll add you to my private group, where I share trades and teach everything from scratch. I'm starting with the capital of $232,546. For each trade, I risk $1,000 with a 1-minute expiration, and I monitor the charts on a 30-second time frame. I don't trade OTC. I need a real market where there's genuine action and where the sellers and buyers are actively competing and where the volumes speak for themselves. OTC is just too prone to platform manipulation, and that's not for me. Now I'm setting up my tools. Today I'm using 3 indicators. First, RSI with a period of 9, second, fractals, which we used before, but this time I'm setting it to 4, and third, the Donchian Channel with a period of 15. Simple but effective. These tools help me spot perfect entry points, so I can enter the market with maximum confidence and support. Alright, let's start looking for the first trade. I'm opening a long position here, expecting a short-term bounce. Right now we are in a downtrend, but the RSI is showing that the price has dropped into the 15 to 16% zone. Last time we were around these levels, the market reversed nice, so I'm looking for the same setup here. A quick rebound and a solid profit lock. By the way, the Donchian Channel is also back in this idea. Price has been hugging the lower band for a while. Even in a falling market, those bounces happen, and this could be my chance. Unfortunately, the first trade ended in a loss, but the indicator setup still looks strong. The market is oversold and there's still a solid chance for a bounce. In this case, I've got to step up the risk and open another long trade. All the signals are pointing to a potential move up from these exact levels. Let's see how our indicators play out this time. We didn't get a strong breakout, but I'm closing the trade with $3,620 profit. Losses are covered and that's what matters. I'm locking it in and scaling down the risk. You can see the upward move starting on the chart. Just need a bit more time. Let's keep going and look for the next setup. If you're serious about becoming a better trader, then it's not just about the strategy. That's about who you're learning from. That's why I've added a link below this video. It takes you to a short page where you can see how I trade, what I focus on, and whether my approach fits the way you want to grow. If it resonates with you, just hit the contact me button and send me a message. I want access to the private group. I will personally reply to you within 15 minutes and get you inside. In the group, I post daily trading setups, live trades, and help traders to build consistency through structure, not random luck. Over the past 2 weeks alone, I've shared 108 trades, with more than 87% of them closing in profit. So, if you're done with guessing and want to start making informed moves, start by clicking the link below. Opening a long position again, and yeah, even though the RSI is up around 70, the trend here is crazy strong. Plus, there's solid support both from the indicator and the chart itself. We are clearly in uptrend. Everything lining up perfectly. Even if the RSI dips a bit below 70, the price can easily keep pushing higher. I'm jumping in with the trend and I'm already seeing some nice upward movement. Perfect, the indicators worked exactly as I expected, closing this third trade with $1,700 profit. The fractal nailed the local bottom, gave a clean signal, and right after that, the price started climbing. Now let's switch to some other currency pairs and look for new entry points. Opening a trade up here, we've got an uptrend again. The goal is to reach the upper boundary of the Donchian Channel. We already bounced off the lower band, made it to the middle, and now, based on the RSI, we've broken through the 30% zone. There's still room to climb up to 70%. And if you check the chart history, price often moved from the lower to the upper boundary, so I'm expecting the uptrend to continue. Unfortunately, closing this trade in the red, but I'm jumping right back in. Gotta act fast here. Since the price is testing the middle of the Donchian Channel, which acts as support, I'm expecting a bounce and a move toward the upper boundary, just like we've seen happen multiple times. I'm taking a profit of $3,780. That's what I like best. Time to lower the risk and find a new deal. I open a new deal to increase. There is simply gorgeous upward trend here. According to the indicators, everything is also super. RSI has unloaded, approached the lower border of the channel. The price has also cooled down well. This is the ideal moment to enter the correction. I go long and take my own. I take another $1,840 in profit. And again, the indicators work clearly, which helped me calmly find a good entry point. It's time to sum it up. 6 trades, almost $3,000 per day, and a great mood. The main thing is that all trades were made without panic, without guesswork and coin tossing, all according to the indicators. So take on board. It's probably the only effective way to make a good profit. If you want to stay up to date with the most profitable trades and receive signals every day, subscribe to the Telegram channel using the link in the description. Every day there are new entry points, detailed analysis and my personal experience. And in order not to miss new videos, click like, subscribe to the channel and watch my next video, where I show another great strategy. Thanks for watching, let's trade wisely and see you in the next video.